Let's come to the recipe of 3 chili chicken. With the ingredients we have half kg chicken cut into squares, green chilies 3, some red chilies soaked in vinegar, tomatoes and onion for garnish, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger, half cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin, half tablespoon coriander, 1 cup onion, 1 cup tomato. Let's get started. First, we're gonna add oil, half cup. To that, we're gonna add onion. We are going to cook the onions till they're golden. Our onions are now golden. To this, we're going to add ginger and garlic and cook for another 2 minutes. Now we are going to add tomatoes and the rest of the masala. Lower the heat. Add cumin, salt, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric. We have to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll add some water and let it cook till oil separates. We've added the water, now we're going to cover it and let it cook for 6 to 7 minutes. The masala is fully cooked. Our masala is now ready. To this we're going to add our chicken. Our yogurt. And our assortment of 3 chilies. We are going to cover this with the lid and let it cook for 20 minutes on a low heat. Our 3 mirchi chicken is now fully cooked. We are going to add our onions and our tomatoes. Give it a stir and dish it out.